Hey guys, Hack Guru coming at you today with another video on a tool. This tool is going to be Tmux, and you start it just by entering Tmux and pressing enter. And this tool is good for dividing up terminal windows in your workspace so you can work more efficiently. And I'll show you how it works. So hit Control B together on your keyboard, and then hit like Shift double quotation mark. That will divide the screen up vertically and horizontally. It'll do well, horizontally rather. Um, but then to do another cut, we can do Control B plus the division symbol or the percent symbol, and that will divide us from top to bottom. It'll make a divide like that. So um, to switch between the windows, hit Control B again, and then the arrow key to the left if we want to go to the left window. So we're there now. Also, you can hold down Control and B, and then hold that down while you're pressing the arrow keys, and it will change the size of the window like that. So you can pick your exact specifications for your workspace. So some other features with Tmux is you can do Tmux detach, and it will detach the whole session. And then to resume, just do Tmux. You can have a bunch of sessions, but just do Tmux attach. Okay, and we're back to normal. Next, I'll show you how to name your sessions. So you can do sudo tmux new -s space session 1. Alright, there, now you see at the bottom here, we have labeled as session 1. So to reiterate, between every action, you always want to hit Control B, and then you can choose your direction, choose your terminal. If you want to close one, just hit Control B X, and hit Control B, then type X, and it will ask you if you want to remove the pane. Hit yes, and it will remove that for you, the current one that you're in. And I'll show you how to copy and paste also. So let's do neofetch, just so we have something to copy. And then I'm going to hit Control B, and then I'm going to hit the bracket. And now I can scroll up and copy things. If I hit spacebar, or not just spacebar, but if you hit the arrow keys, you can copy stuff. So in Tmux. So now that I've selected that, I'm going to press enter. That will copy it. And next, to paste it, you can do Control B and the open bracket to paste it, or the closing bracket to paste it in. So that looks like everything for today. One more time, I'll just show you. You can do Control B, up in the left window, Control B, divide it by horizontally, then you can do Control B, hit Shift and the parentheses, or the percentage symbol. That will divide it top to bottom, and you can even have you can even have your terminal divided into screens so small as this. So anyway, that's pretty much today's video on Tmux, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and that's all for today, folks. Peace.